All right, so now we got our vehicle fully serviced. I'm taking it for a test drive. Obviously, this vehicle has been in storage all winter, so I'm really excited to have it back out right now for the summer. Spring is finally coming. April's been a snowy start, so we're looking pretty clear this week. It looks like upper 40s, 50s with some rain. So that is definitely finally April spring weather. If you're looking to get into one of these vehicles right now, you can find plenty of them for a deal. You can find like a 2014 model, like the mid 20s to 30s, depending on what trim level. I mean, this is probably still around the 30,000 mark for the Cabriolet. But if you get into the sedan, you can get one 20 to 25,000, and I've seen them as high as 28, depending on the miles in the package, and of course the year. Is absolutely amazing to drive. It's so smooth, it's extremely responsive, and even though it's a 3.5 liter V6 and not the V8 bi-turbo, it's definitely got enough pep to make it fun. You got different drive modes. You have the economy if you're just cruising, sport, and then manual mode. So right now I'll just keep it in the manual mode, and I'm using the paddle shifters right here behind the wheel. It's just really nice. It's just a pleasure to drive, and of course if you want to get up on it and go, it's got the pep, you know. That's what's cool about it. It's just perfect the way it's so smooth. Just point and shoot. It's got the magnetic air ride. I mean, you literally just point the steering wheel and shoot and it's going. It's amazing. Electronic steering, of course. So it doesn't have all of the play and the feel from the road. But honestly, at first when we got this car, I thought I'd miss the feel of the road. But you don't even really realize it because it's such a joy to drive that it's almost irrelevant. Plus, you're not really getting into a Mercedes wanting to feel every crevice of the road. You're kind of in it to drive it, enjoy the ride, and that's what it's all about. And as you can see, it downshifts really smoothly, and it's quiet in here. The convertible top is nice and soundproof, as it should for a Mercedes. Rear-wheel drive, so if you just noticed that, I got the back end to kick out a little bit. Responsive the transmission is if you're watching my gear shifts and the RPM react. Instant. Well, I guess I changed the oil properly because I don't have any still running here. Nice Porsche Macan. Looks like it's the GS model. GTS. He has everything blacked out. It's kind of nice. Black on black. Just sticks to the road so nice. If you just saw how it handles, it's just so unbelievably smooth. I don't know how many times I have to say, it's just so amazing. Feels good. Nice materials. I will see you next video.